Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing leg of the lamb roast. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice garlic cloves, preferably at an angle, for them to have a sharp end to hold on to the meat. Poke holes on top of the fat part. That's where our garlic will hold. I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you so much for your time. Please stay until the end. Season your meat with salt and black pepper. I will say to taste. Rub it with dried oregano to about 2 tablespoons of oil. Followed by dried basil. Insert the slices of garlic and fresh rosemary on each hole. It looks like a garden, eh? Heat the pan to a smoking point, then add oil, then seal the meat on all sides. Keep turning it. Sometimes you will have to hold it in order for it to stand. Once all sides are browned, place the meat on a rack or in a casserole dish and roast it. Here I'm roasting it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and I've put vegetables underneath. Once the meat is done, rest it between 10 to 20 minutes covered with aluminum foil. Then put your vegetables in a serving dish. In the same pot you were browning your meat, add oil, butter, fresh rosemary, and garlic cloves. Add the juices from the veggies and meat and few veggies to the pan. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you enjoy it here. Add mustard sauce and crush the veggies with a masher, or use the back of the spoon or a fork. If you like my content, please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Your gravy is starting to form. Drain some of the oil. Using a sieve, press on the residue to release more oil. Look at that oil. We need a little bit of that oil. Mix water with cornstarch and add it back with the residue in a pan and mix. We're thickening our gravy now. Gradually add water and stir. sieve or drain your gravy. We need only the liquid part. You will get the measurements in the description box below. Your gravy is ready. You may put it in a serving container like a gravy boat and serve hot. By now your meat would have been rested. Remove the herbs. Drain the juices. Slice the meat. Please kindly press the like button and leave a comment below. Would you try this recipe? There you go. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.